Okay. Okay. Hi, guys. Am I nervous? Yes, I'm nervous. No, I'm not nervous. Here we go. We're going to do this in 5 minutes. We're going to create a layered Wwise project. We're clicking on Wwise. Let's go, go, go. Make this thing happen. Very exciting. All right. I start a project. No, I'm going to just open Wwise. Boom. I'm going to open the latest version. I did it. I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call it Cosmic Racer Vlog. I did it. Okay, now you stop notifying me. Close. I love that the defaults in Wwise are also sensible. All right, what am I doing? I'm going to start by going to audio and interactive music hierarchy. Remember, you got to start there. New child will create a music switch container, and we will call it this one. Then we are going to drag these files, which are pre-composed 6 different versions in different styles of a song, of a tune that was written for a game called Cosmic Racer by Monty Goulet. Now, the next thing that you need is a bunch of switches to operate that switch thing. So switches are game syncs. I go to switches, I create a new child, which is a switch group, and I'll call it car is ahead, because that tells you which car is ahead. I'm going to create the first child, which is a switch. The first switch is car 1. I'm going to copy it, copy. I'm going to go back to car is ahead and go Control V, Control V, Control V. How many we got? 4, 5, 6. We got 6 switches now. They're all numbered goofy, but we can go back and rename them later. Heading back to the switch group, we notice that there is in the middle of the screen there is not a little section that you're going, wait a minute, I learned about this section. Okay, this is not intuitive. Let's fix it. You have to go to the interactive music layout, and then the switch container association editor shows up. In that, you bring in a switch group called Cars Ahead, which we just made. There it is. We drag the first car to the first switch. We drag the music for the second car to the second switch. We drag the music for the third car to the third switch. It's getting a little dizzy now. 4th to the 4th, 5th to the 5th, 6th to the 6th. Now, we make sure that we selected the switch group, and that's what will play when I hit the transport control down here. We're hearing one of the cars. Okay, that's great. Now, I'm going to pin that just so that it doesn't slide away from me. It always stays on the switch group and doesn't go to individual pieces. Now, if I play that, if I switch my car, here's a different one, a car 4. But it's always starting at the beginning, don't you see? So we don't want all the tunes to start at the beginning. So what we do is we go to transitions and make sure you're not paused here, because if you're paused instead of stopped, it won't work. You won't be able to select this. So from any song to any other song, we don't exit at the exit cue. We don't switch at the exit cue. We switch immediately. And let's see. And let's see if that gets us somewhere. Nope, it's still starting at the beginning. So there's another thing that we have to do. Stop, not pause. We want to sync to not the entry cue, but we want to start at the same time as the playing segment. Now we can switch smoothly. Let's give it a crossfade. We basically accomplished our goal already. Let's make a nice crossfade. So again, stop. Now we've got crossfades available to us. So we'll make a 5-second or 0.5 second crossfade. Woo! We're on it. We're doing this. We're wise things, whatever you call a wiser. That's the fade out. Here's the fade in to match it. Edit. We give it a 0.5 second fade in. But that would fade in after a little bit of silence right there. So we're going to offset it by minus 0.5. And you can see now that the fade in happens before the event moment there. All right, now that should give us nice smooth fades. I hit play. We're so happening. This is so great. Okay. I'm gonna go for the stretch goal, and I'm going to add. Let's see. Here, look. Here's a little camera. That's my Mackie controller, and I am going to edit a session, control surface session. So I'm going to create one here. Under global, let me see if I can do this, because this is fun. Okay, I'm going to add and learn a binding. The binding that I want to learn is an object command, play. Odd that it's play, but it is play. I'm going to click that first thing there, and what it's going to play is a switch group. Switch groups are switches. Under switch, car is ahead, and it's going to do car 1. Okay, I wonder if I can copy and, yeah, copy, paste. Oh yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that first one is car 1. The second one, that one. Third one is the third one. Fourth one. Fifth. Sixth. It's exciting. Okay, I'm going to learn. Okay, this is the second. Learn that, learn that, learn that, learn that, and learn that. Did I do it right? No, I didn't. Learn the first one, learn the second one, learn the third one, learn the fourth one, learn the fifth one, learn the sixth one. Got it? And just for fun, let's add one more to make it play. Add and learn binding. What we want to do is play, object command play, and the thing that we want to play, oh, we don't have an event there. Maybe we do. Okay, we're going to skip the play. We're going to skip that. We're just going to play like this. Boom. All right, first car's ahead. That's not working. Okay, we'll come back and do the control session later. But we can still swap this. Jazz. Okay. Thank you. I'm declaring sex on the, it's a sex, success, and I'm declaring sex on the 5-minute Wwise layered switching challenge. Yay! Thank you for joining me for my first live video on this topic. You guys go and rock it now. Do it yourself. It's so easy.